What's up, bros? So this is just a little mock video. I rarely make small mocks. Usually it's just big mocks of two minifigures fighting each other or something like that. But here we have the Lego glider drone mock. The minifigure I used is just Samurai X or Pixel with a General Zod armor and this one silver straw hat that you can easily acquire from the Spinjitzu Burst Lloyd's set. And she has these two custom guns that I made her, or blasters. Yeah, pretty cool custom minifigure. And we have this glider mock. As you can see here, this is flight mode, where we have 2 thrusters in the front, 4 thrusters in the back, and 2 thrusters right here. This thing moves around. And this is flight mode. This is, I don't know what mode this is, but it just stands there. You can even put a minifigure right there and it just stands there. And you can also flip this around. There's also a drone mode where you can't use a minifigure, where this glider thing acts like a drone. And this is the drone mode, which honestly looks like a transport ship from Star Wars, so that kind of looks weird, but just twist this back and we're back in glider mode. There was supposed to be some stud shooters like right here, but I decided to add these wings instead to make it look more like a glider. So yeah, this is just this little mock. I'm going to show you the speed build on how to build this real quick. So I hope you bros enjoyed this mock, and tell me in the comments below if you enjoyed these smaller mocks. Be sure to have a great day, and see ya, bros.